In this tutorial, you'll learn how to reset your Hostinger password quickly and securely. Forgetting your password happens to everyone, but regaining access to your account is straightforward if you follow the steps carefully. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to hostinger.com. Ensuring you are on the official website is crucial to protect your account from phishing attacks or fraudulent sites. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click the Login button. This will take you to Hostinger's login page, where you'll see two fields, one for your email address and one for your password. Since you're resetting your password, focus on the Forgot Password link located directly beneath the password field. Clicking this link begins the recovery process. You'll be redirected to the password recovery page. Here, you need to enter the email address associated with your Hostinger account. Accuracy is key. Double check your email for any typos, as Hostinger will send the reset instructions to this address. Once entered, click the Reset Password button. This sends a password reset email to your inbox. Next, open your email account and locate the message from Hostinger. If it doesn't appear within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folders, as email filters sometimes misplace automated messages. Once you find the email, open it carefully and follow the instructions provided. You will see a reset link. Clicking, it will take you to Hostinger's password reset page. On the reset page, create a new password. Choose something strong and secure, ideally a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable passwords such as birthdays, names, or simple sequences. After entering the new password, confirm it by typing it again and then click the Submit button. Your password is now updated and you can log into your account using this new password. It's a good idea to keep your password safe to prevent future issues. Consider using a password manager which securely stores all your credentials and allows you to generate strong passwords easily. Additionally, if your Hostinger account is linked to multiple devices, make sure to update the saved passwords on all of them so you don't get locked out on any device. Remember, a secure password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Take a moment to review your account security settings as well. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection. And that's it. With just a few minutes, you've successfully reset your Hostinger password and restored access to your account. This process ensures your account remains secure while giving you the flexibility to recover your login details whenever necessary. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tech tips and tutorials.